trip back to South Africa when there was a dancing stick man on my journey, and I went to find out who made it, and it was a friend of mine who had started a business called Giant Inflatables, and he said to me, why don't you take that to Australia to do? Because I didn't know what I was going to do. I was going to go fly kites in Australia. And that's how Giant Inflatables started, making these dancing stick men. He called them ravers, I call them ravers. And that took us on a long journey. So 26 odd years later, we've still got some of the original people working for us. We've gone through some exciting innovations. We've made the world's biggest disco ball. This year we've won some awards. There was a wall at Federation Square, an inflatable wall down there, which won us an international award for innovation. We've moved a lot on since then that we now do quite cutting edge technologies. We do a lot of sealed equipment and a lot of sealed inflatables. We do a lot of sporting inflatables. That's probably most of what we do. And now we're moving into doing art and theatre. Always different and always bring smiles to people's face. And that's what we love. We love the team here, loves working with people who bring us, I call them stick man ideas, but they're really just someone that's got a great idea, doesn't know what to do with it, and that's where we come in. We know what to do with ideas. We've got so much experience in turning great ideas into actual inflatable things. That's why we call it Powered by Air. That's our tagline. We're a Powered by Air company. And the motivations around this really brings us and our whole team to focus on a way forward that'll be good for us and for everybody.